Okay, we continue, no? This is problem example 15-10. So sabi dito, 100 Hertz sinusoidal voltage source has an amplitude of 150 volts. Write the equation for E as a function of time. So alam din naman natin ang 100 Hz class is our frequency, and then ang 150 volts is the amplitude or the maximum voltage, no? 150 volts. So he is asking for, we have to write the equation for E, diba? As a function of time. So kung magtanong ako, ano ba yung equation ng voltage E? So previously class, no, our E is equals to, diba, EM sine alpha. Our EM is the amplitude, which is 150 volts, and then your alpha is angle. Pero ang gusto dito class ng problem 15-10, we have to write the equation for E as a function of time. So kailangan ang E natin nakadepende sa time. So walang time lang. So lagyan natin ng time T. Okay? So, di ba class, our angular velocity, sorry, palitan ko ng color, our angular velocity, what's the unit for angular velocity? Di ba, radian per second? Radian per second. Again, your radian is the angle, and then of course your second representing time. So, ang gusto ng problem na to, we have to write the equation for E as a function of time. So, dito, hindi natin nakikita yung time. Okay, so palitan natin yung angle, no, na merong time dito class. Okay, so since angular velocity, the unit of angular velocity is radian per second, so alam natin ang radian, that is angle, and then ang second is time. So meaning, your W, angular velocity, is angle over time. So he's asking for E as a function of time, so meaning your alpha is Wt. Okay? So, palitan natin, no? Substitute natin. So, our E, the equation of the voltage, sinusoidal voltage, EM, no? Instead of sine alpha, gawin na lang natin Wt. Follow class. Again, no? Ang tanong ko dito, ano ba yung alpha? That is angle, of course. Yung Wt, that is still angle, no? Kasi makakancel out natin yung sec, yung time, so magiging angles pa rin yan siya, either radian or decrease. Again, ang alpha is angle, and then of course, ang Wt is also angles. But W is angular velocity, T is time, so makakancel out yung time, magiging angles yan siya. Right? So, we just substitute. So, he is asking for the equation for E as a function of time. So, your E, ano ba yung EM natin? So, 150, no? 150 sine Wt. Right? So, yan, no? Kulang na lang tayo ng W. What is our W? Di ba, our W is also, di ba, our W is also 2 pi f. So, given kasi ang frequency, mangyari class, your E is equals to 150 sine W, which is 2 pi f T, right? So your E is equals to 150 sine 2 pi, ano ba yung F natin? 100 Hz times T. So, makikita natin dito, so, simplify natin, no? Using calculator. 2 pi times 100. Diba? 2 pi 2 pi times 2 pi times 100 equals 6 to 8.32. So 150 sine 6 to 8.32 T volts. Okay? So, yan na, no? Yan na ang required sa problem. We have to write the equation for E as a function of time. So, makikita mo, no, ang ang value ng E natin nakadepende sa kung ano yung time. Diba? So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng E as a function of T. Okay, so thank you for watching.